There were 17 juvenile, either offenses, criminal trespass, assault bodily injury, assault family. So your family's trying to help you and you're assaulting them.
17 juvenile offenses, probation, second chances, and still didn't stop. Judge finally says enough and sends him to prison for public safety.
This was an unagreed plea. There was no agreement when we were here before. Based on what I've seen in this pre-sentence report and the incidents that have happened since we were in court last time, I'm not going to go along with any agreement. He pled unagreed. It's going to be up to me. I'll let y'all make argument. Mr. Lewis.
This was a situation, of course, he was previously on probation where he was participating in a cognitive track of ISF when the initial incident occurred. I believe it was maybe less than a week before he was to complete the program, and he was sent back. Since then, I've been in constant contact with his parents, his mother and father.
I think he was already there. This incident happened at ISF.
ISF, yeah. And we pleaded.
2 days before he was supposed to.
Right.
I did talk with him, so he understands that probation will not be probably the best situation for him. That's why we came to the agreement that we approached you about on the 18 months.
There were 17 juvenile, either offenses or failure to comply with the court order that ended you up in TJJD. So you've already been to juvenile prison and you got out of juvenile prison and you commit this offense. I give you an opportunity. You get to ISF and you just can't make it through. Then you get into our jail and you're told, stop getting in trouble. And you left court on the 24th, and the first incident report was on that day. And you've had 8 since then. And I think it's great that your parents are supporting you. You should have probably been living with your dad about 4 years ago if he's out of town. Sometime before the 17th time you got in trouble as a juvenile, somebody does something. And that didn't happen. You just kept doing it. If they're there to help you, you're sure not taking advantage of it. You had a robbery. We're not talking about just little things. I mean, we've got terroristic threat, criminal trespass, running away, assault bodily injury, assault family. So your family's trying to help you and you're assaulting them. Expulsion from your pool, theft, robbery, aggravated assault. That's crazy that all happened while you were juvenile. Honestly, that the most I can do today is 2 years. Somebody needs to protect, looks like a whole lot of people from you. And that's the only thing I feel like I can do today. Find sufficient evidence to find you guilty. And at this time, find you guilty of the state jail felony offense of theft of a firearm. Sentence you to a term of 2 years in the state jail prison